Okay, on problems 8 through 10, we're also using substitution, but these are a little more in depth. So what we try to do is get one of the variables by itself so that we can substitute it into the second equation, or the other equation, I should say. In this case, it would be easiest to get the top equation to get x by itself, because it doesn't have a coefficient. So I can do that by subtracting 5y from both sides. All right, and when I do, I end up with x is a negative 5y plus 4. So I take that negative 5y plus 4, and I'm going to plug it into x right there. And that would give me 3, but instead of x, I'm going to put negative 5y plus 4, right? That's my x, and then plus 15y equals negative 1, because I have to write the entire equation. The only thing I did differently was instead of x, I put in what x is equal to over here. Okay, so now I have to distribute the 3. So I get negative 15y plus 12 plus 15y equals negative 1. If you see here, we got a negative 15y and we have a positive 15y. If we combine like terms, those are going to cancel out, and that leaves us with 12 equaling negative 1. 12 never equals negative 1. That's not a true statement, so we don't even have to go any further because our answer is no solution at this point. Okay, because that will not work. Okay, all right, on number 9, again, all we're going to have to do here is add 4y to both sides. Okay, when we do, we get x equals 4y plus 27. All right, and so 4y plus 27 is going to be substituted in for x in this equation right there. Okay, that's a really bad arrow, but you get my point. Okay, so it's 3, but instead of x, we're going to put 4y plus 27, and then plus y equals negative 23. So we distribute our 3, and we get 12x plus 81 plus y equals negative 23. Subtract, or excuse me, we're going to add like terms and end up with 13x plus 81 equals negative 23. We subtract 81 from both sides. So, we have 13x equals negative 104. And when we divide by 13, we get x is negative 8. Okay, so now I can take that negative 8. Oh, that should be a y. Sorry. Y. Y is negative 8. I put the negative 8 right there. So that is x equals 4 times negative 8 plus 27. So x is negative 32 plus 27, or x is negative 5. So your answer here is negative 5, negative 8. That's number 9. Okay. Then on number 10, all we need to do on that one is add 5y to both sides. Okay, so x equals 5y plus 10, and I take this 5y plus 10 and I plug it right there for that x. Okay, so 2 times 5y plus 10 minus 10y equals, what does it equal? 20. Equals 20. So I distribute my 5y's, so I get 10y plus 20 minus 10y equals 20. Well, look, 10y minus 10y is 0, but I have 20 equals 20. That is true. So if you get that kind of an answer, that's infinite solutions. So this one would be infinite solutions. It means that they're both the same exact line. Okay? All right.